you looking for an RGB headset stand but don't want to spend $70? Well, you've come to the right place because this one is like $25. Why am I saying dollars? I live in the UK. Anyway, it's actually brilliant. I bought it with my own money, by the way, just in case you're wondering. So it's made by a company called Havit. I have seen some of their budget RGB mechanical keyboards floating about on Amazon. Seem to be definitely on board with the whole RGB trend. In the box, you get the headset stand, a set of instructions, and some air. As regards a headset stand, it's built really well for the price actually. Obviously it is all plastic, however, it doesn't feel flimsy at all. The plastic is really thick and the base is weighted as well. There's some rubber pads on the bottom to stop it from slipping. Again, the quality here is great. They've actually been kind of designed as part of the base rather than just being stuck on as an afterthought. So you shouldn't have to worry about them falling off or anything like that. You should be able to fit basically any pair of headphones on this stand. There's plenty of clearance with all the pairs I've tried it with. And like I said, the base has some nice weight to it, so even when your headset is on it, it feels perfectly stable. Now, before your mum accuses you of wasting money on a light-up headphone stand that does absolutely nothing, you can tell her it has two other really cool features besides the RGB. Obviously, the RGB is the main feature. Anyway, you've got two USB ports on the side, so you could use one to charge your headset and maybe the other for your mouse. Now, you've probably noticed that the headset stand comes with not one, but two USB cables. The white one is the main one, so that will power the headset stand and enable data transmission on the USB ports. The second USB cable is actually just to provide extra power, so if you find your USB kettle isn't working, try plugging that in. The other feature is a headphone jack. When you connect the headset stand via the main USB cable, it's actually recognized as a USB audio device. So yeah, you just plug in your headphones and off you go. 7.1 surround sound. Could definitely come in handy if you use wired headphones. Not that anybody does, I mean, it's 2020 guys. Just kidding, I won't judge you. Seriously, just get a wireless headset though, and then you can also be that person that runs out of battery halfway through a match. Alright, let's talk RGB lighting. It's epic. There are two small downsides. It's not insanely bright and there's only 5 effects. However, I guarantee most people are going to buy this for the rainbow wave effect, and it looks awesome. The lighting goes around the entire base, so it looks good from any angle, and the logo glows as well, which I actually think looks quite cool. The other 4 effects are all breathing effects, so there's a blue, a green, a red, and a pink colour. Bit of a random selection, like they might as well have added a few other colours in there. That's one of the things I don't really understand about these types of companies. The hardware is there in the addressable LED strips, but then they skimp out on the software. Doesn't make sense to me. But anyway, at the end of the day, it has unicorn vomit rainbow wave effect, so I'm happy. And very happy with it in general. Great little upgrade for your setup for under $25 or 20 quid if you're in the UK. You should buy it. Using my affiliate link in the description, which will magic free money out of thin air for me without costing you a penny. Also hit subscribe, ding the bell, drop us a like rating. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I think that's everything. Oh, and say hi in the comments as well. I always reply. Thanks for watching today, guys. I'll catch you all in the next one.